Hey, it's your buddy Dale Gibson. I'm from Fans United, and I'm here to show you how to put a fan back together. What we got here is a Fan World 3000 XP, and we're going to try and put this back together. Well, first, you take the block rotating mechanism, and you put this on the dingle driver. You see, like that. Next, you put the coverall over the rear of the dingle driver, like that. And next, you want to take, we'll call this the gearbox. You're going to put the gearbox right on top like that so you can see it good. Next, I'm putting the rotating mechanism and switch power table on. You want to put that right on top of the gearbox, as so. Let's plug this in, see if it works. Well, you gotta redo it, I guess. You put the gearbox back on there. Switch on table, plug it in. Damn near. Damn close, ain't we? And no power. Let me try fixing something.
Let's try to fix this.
Let's try to fix what's going on right here.